Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome to GANESH Institute of Coaching. Now let's talk about the coordinate geometry. Previous class I'll told about the area of the triangles, how can conditions of coordinate, and today we'll start about the area of the parallel, area of the quadrilateral. How can you find the area of the quadrilateral? Quadrilateral generally means four points. Okay, like a point A, x1 y1, point B, x2 y2, point C, x3 y3, and point D, x4 y4. How can you find the area of the quadrilateral? Okay, there is simple area given that half. Just see that, okay, whole into, okay, x1 y1 x2 y2 mod plus x2 y2 and x3 y3 mod plus x3 y3 into x4 y4 mod plus x4 y4 into x1 y1 mod. Okay, find the determinant of these. Of all of these, add all of these determinant, multiply with half, we can find the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, the simple thing is there. There is a easy tricks to remember that, like 1, 2, 3, 4 points is there, na? Just for first this for the x1 y1 and x2 y2, then this comes to here. This is the first determinant plus this comes to here x2 y2, then 2 after 2 this is 3 x3 y3, this is there, then 3 comes here x3 y3 in x4 y4, then 4 comes here x4 y4, then again it will back to 1 x1 y1, and this is a circle type. This is 1 2 3 4 1 2, sorry, this is 3, this is for the circle type, na? 1 2, this is 2 to 3 2 3 3 4 4 1. With this we can find the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, there is a generalized formula is given, area of the n-sided polygon. Like triangle is 3 1 2 3 side, like quadrilateral is 4 1 2 3 4, and there is the pentagon, this is 5 type 1 2 3 4 5, then like hexagon is 6 sided 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, for n-sided polygons there is a general area. For n-sided polygons there is a general formula is given. I am writing this formula, like there is a x1 y1, b x2 y2, and there is n side xn yn, right? So area that is equal to half multiplied by determinant, see that x1 y1 into x2 y2 mod plus x2 y2 in x3 y3 mod plus x3 y3 into x4 y4 mod xn minus 1 yn minus 1 into xn yn mod plus mod of xn yn, then reverse to 1 and x1 y1. Add all of the determinants and multiply with half, we can find the area of the n-sided polygon. Like same as if they give the triangle area of the, find the area of the triangle x1 y1 and x2 y2, and this is x3 y3. How can you find the area of the triangle? This is same as that. Just half area of the triangle, half all into the 3 points is given x1 y1 and x2 y2 mod plus x2 y2 and x3 y3 mod, then x3 y3 and x1 y1 mod, right? We can find the area of the triangle. Addition of the three determinant, when you multiply with half, we can find the area of the triangle. Okay. Then centroid of the triangle. Another concept is there, centroid of a triangle. I am giving that concept which are relevant to your exams. Okay, mainly I am giving maximum concepts, means maximum question will come within that this concept. Okay, these concepts I have taught, I am teaching you, maximum question will come on this concept. Right? Centroid generally means that intersection of medians of a triangle. Intersection of medians, like there are three medians, na? Like A, B, C. Intersection point, this is called centroid. Right? There is just like the point A. If you consider A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2, C is x3 y3, then centroid G. Next the point is G. That is, this will come is equal to just x1 y x2 x3 divided by 3 and y1 y2 y3 divided by 3. The point G is centroid. Just addition of the x terms of the 3 points and y term divided by 3 and y terms of the 3 points and divide by 3. Okay, then come to incenter. Then another concept is there, incenter. Okay, incenter generally means that point of intersection of the internal bisectors of the three angles, right? Internal bisector generally means that there is 3 points is given, point A, point B, point C. This is internal bisector where this angle is equal to this angle, and this is the internal bisector where this angle is equal to this, and this is the internal bisector, this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, this line bisect the C angle into same to divide two parts. This line will divide the angle A into 2, and this line will divide the B angle into 2, and the point of intersection of the internal bisectors are called incenter. Okay, incenter. And then the A, this is called A, and this is called C. This length called A, this length called C, and this length called B. Then the internal bisector, let's term this is called I. This is I, that is equal to A1 x1 plus B1 x2 plus C1 x3 divided by A plus B plus C naught A1. Sorry, I am just giving different nomenclature. I'm writing here a is equal to a has two coordinates na, a x1 plus b y1 plus c ax1 b x2 c x3 divided by a plus b plus c, and the coordinates y a y1 b y2 c y3 divided by a plus b plus c. Sorry for the misconvenience. And the internal the incenter of the triangle I is equal to a means generally this distance opposite to a angle, this distance, and c is generally opposite to c angle, this distance, b is generally opposite to b angle, this distance, and the internal incenter I x coordinates is equal to ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 divided by a plus b plus c, and these y coordinates a y1 b y2 and c y3 divided by a plus b plus c. And then there is a general formula, general thing is given. There is a PGH, the three terms is given. Okay, P is circumcenter, G is centroid, okay, H is orthocenter. Orthocenter generally means that it gives a perpendicular, like this is ABC angle, ABC triangle, this gives a perpendicular, okay, this also perpendicular, and this also, and this is all perpendicular. The point of interaction of the perpendiculars, that is called orthocenter. The center, we told that, and circle center, and there is a relation between those three. In a triangle, P is the circumcenter. If P is the circumcenter, G is the centroid, and H is the orthocenter, then P, G, H are collinear. That means that the P, G, H line in a straight line, but in a single line. Okay, and P is the circumcenter, G is the centroid, H is the orthocenter. G, this is the concept 1, and concept 2 is G divides PH internally 1:2, means let's P as this is the P and H, and let's let the point G. The G point divides P and H is the ratio of 1:2. Okay. These are the concepts I am given about the coordinates, and I am solving some problems. Just focus on that. The question is 1. The area of a triangle is given 5. Okay. Area of the triangle is given 5. There is the two coordinates is given. Three coordinates is there. One coordinate is x 2 1. Another is equal to 3 minus 2. Another is xy. Okay. This is three coordinates there, and area is 5. And then another relation is that y is equal to x plus 3. Okay, then they asked to find the point xy. Okay, then we know area of the triangle half whole into x1 y1 x2 y2 mod plus x2 y2 and x3 y3 mod and x3 y3 and x1 y1 mod. Let's take this is x1 y1 and x2 y2 and x3 y3. As this is 5. Okay, and when you solve that, this is single equation, but here is two variable. Let's so the let's put y is equal to x plus 3 here, x and another is x plus 3. In x third coordinates, x3 point is x and y3 coordinates is equal to x plus 3. When you put that like half, x1 is how much? 2 1, x2 y2 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2 and third coordinates x plus 3 and plus x3 x plus 3 and x1 1 2 1. When you do that, there is a single equation and a single x variable. By solving that, we can find the point x. If you, when you find the point x, then when you put here, we will find the point x and y. Okay. Then another question is there. Question they given that CG centroid is 1 and 4. Okay, and two vertex. One is in triangle there is three vertex, x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, and one vertex is given that 4 minus 8, another vertex is given that 9 and 7. Okay, and we need another vertex. They asked to find that another vertex. Let's another vertex is x and y. Okay, we know as per formula, for centroid formula, x coordinate is equal to x1 x2 x3 divided by 3, and y coordinate y1 y2 y3 divided by 3. The x coordinate is 1 is given and x1 is 4, x2 is minus 9 and x3 is x divided by 3. Okay, plus x. Okay, this is the single equation with one variable. Then you can find the value of x. Then come to y coordinates. So y is given. How much y is given? Centroid y is 4, and this y1 how much given? Minus 8, and y2 how much? 7, and y3 unknown divided by 3. This is same as this one. We can find there is a single equation with a single variable. We can find the value of y here and also x here. Okay, this is the point coordinates of the x3 and y3. Okay. And another question is given. They told that like the image question. I told image question. There's some like thing like image questions into y. This is minus y. They given that there is a point A 2 4. Okay, and they asked to find the image of the 2 4 on the x-axis. This is the mirror. Then when you project that, this will come here. Okay, this will come here, but the units will remain same. This units will remain same, but this is a positive coordinate. This is a negative positive. This is negative negative, and this is negative positive and negative coordinate. Na, the x term will remain same, but y term this will come minus 4. Okay, this type of question will come in the exam. Like they given the point A 2 4. Okay, and they asked to find the image of the point A on the x-axis. The image of the pointer on the axis means axis it takes like a mirror. So when you reflect that, this will come 2 and 4, because this distance is same, it will come in the same distance, and this distance will come in the same distance, but the sign will change because this will come in a different quadrant. Another like question, this is a JE questions. A point is given, a point xy is given, okay, and which divides point 1, 2 and 3, 4 externally, like externally 1:2. Okay, there is a I told you previously, there is I given you a formula na. The point externally means like point maybe here, anywhere, means on this straight line when this line tends to infinity, but not internally or not between A and B. Okay, then the point x m1 x2 minus m2 x1 divided by m1 minus m2, in the point y m1 y2 minus m2 y1 divided by m1 minus m2, and this is m1 and this is m2. m1 is 1, m2 is 2. Okay, just we know the x, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Just put here, we can find the point x and y. Just keep practicing, and tomorrow class we'll study about log cos and its equation. Okay, thank you.